Easy-to-use epos software for all retail and wholesale trades, with no monthly or annual fees. 5 million barcodes built in, proof of age and ID, full stock control if needed, shelf edge labels, integrated scales, A4 or thermal receipts, customer accounts, lottery, paypoint, multi-buy, happy hour, pricing levels, hundreds of sales and stock reports. Not online and does a report to the HRMC automatically. Let's start on the basics of our no-fee epos software. Starting with security, if I log in as a standard employee, you will see that I have only limited access to admin items. If I log in as an admin or administrator, I have access to most items, as you can see. Stock control, reporting, security, etc. As admin, I can change access for other users. As you see, it's easy, just tick boxes. You can, of course, add user passwords or card access here also. All really easy to understand. Let's start with a few features. You may not need all of these in your business. This is a demonstration. So, we will show you things you may just switch off if not needed. Firstly, let's look at proof of age. These are pre-set up and can be turned off. You can select proof of age from the list, or add your own. A button for 16, 18, 21 is often the best way, but you can get it to pop up with age-restricted items if wanted. You can add date of birth, and of course scan the barcode from the passport etc. in here, which saves on the receipt. We can add a variable price button for lottery in, lottery out, paypoint in, paypoint out, if needed. There's an easy add VAT and non-VAT variable button also. Adding a barcoded item to point-to-sale epos software. There are 5 million barcodes online in our system. Log in as administrator or manager or employee if you have given them access. Scan the barcode on the item, and an add item will pop up. Click Add. It will pop up and give you the item name. You can select from the list, or add your own. Select the category from the list. You can create your own, or we will pre-populate it with the correct ones for you. This is our standard category list. Select the VAT rate. Put in your selling price. You can put in your purchase price as well if you want to, but you don't need to. If you are doing stock control, you can add your stock level now. Save the item at the bottom. The screen will close and your item has been added. If you scan the item now, you can see on the top right-hand corner, it gets added to the sale. Really simple. How to add a non-barcoded item in our award-winning epos software. Log in as administrator or manager to add items. You can allow workers to add items if you want to. Anything other than sales will be an admin at the top right-hand corner. To add stock, click on the stock button 3 lines down. To add a product, click on products. All simple. Click plus to add a new empty item first. It must be done in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put in the name. Select your category. Select the VAT rate for your item. Put in your selling price. If you need a kitchen printout for this item, click Send to Kitchen. Before you come off the item, remember to save. You will see the red reminder at the top. To save, press the floppy disk. Next to the red save reminder, the system will automatically fill in a barcode number and ref number for you if you want it later. You can print a barcode or shelf edge label here from your receipt printer. Or you can print or save to print later A4 sheets of barcode labels on 2 Avery label sizes. If you go back to sales now, you can see it has automatically created a button for that item. To quickly edit the item, you can just press and hold the button, and the summary page will pop up. Click Edit. It will take you to the item page, where you can edit price, etc., remembering to save before coming off it. There are lots of sales reports, stock reports, shelf edge labels, all built in. Using the reports is easy. Click on the one you want. Set the date range and run. You can print or save to a USB stick. There are 4 sizes of shelf edge labels. Pick your size. Choose what you want on them. Run the report. You can save to USB or print on an A4 printer. You can, of course, do single shelf edge labels from your receipt printer from the item. There are so many other
obviously
features,
lots of other
far
things,
too many to go
such
into
as
here,
you can add your
but I
suppliers.
will skip over some. You can add suppliers, so you can do reorder reports for each supplier.
Add your customers.
You can add customers, giving them special prices,
You can give
retail
your
or
customers,
wholesale, add their date of
multiple
birth,
cards under
membership
trial accounts.
information,
You can
membership
take
reminders,
membership information.
loyalty scheme built-in,
You can
sunbed
give them
minutes,
credit ratings,
pictures,
and you can give
health
them price
info,
levels.
subcards for
instance,
workers on account, full account tracking, and
proof of ID you
statements,
can put in.
credit limits,
There's a
recreate
loyalty
lost
scheme for
order.
points.
There are so many features you don't want to hear about here, but a brief few points. You may not need many of these, but they are there for you later if you do. Multi-buys. Buy one, get one free. 3 for 2. Or create your own. 2 for £1. 4 for £1. Create a multi-buy lunch special. On crisps and drink. Only have it available during certain times. Add the multi-buy description. To shelf edge labels. You can make this a membership item, happy hour or time specials. You can add pricing levels for retail or wholesale or VIP pricing for special clients, special discount pricing for bulk buyers. You CA add commissions, time pricing, for hired items, every option you may want. Just ignore them if you don't need them. This was just a brief introduction to the functions available in most retail and wholesale outlets. You just scan and add, scan and sell. But it's nice to know those features are available. If sometime in the future you need them, software from £198, systems with software from £249, add drawers, scanners, printers,